Hello everyone, welcome to Karma Education. This is the channel for UGC NET education subject and it has a target to cover the whole syllabus of UGC NET education subject. In this video, I am Konkana Pal going to discuss about characteristics of scientific method, which is included in Unit 6 subtopic of education syllabus research. This video includes only the mentioned characteristics of scientific method in education subject syllabus. These are replicability, precision, falsifiability, and parsimony. Replicability is one of the characteristics of scientific method. The word replica means an exact copy of something. Replicability means the ability to produce same or exact result using new data and same experiment. If using new data and same experiment exact result is found, then we call the experiment is replicable. Replicability and reproducibility are not same thing, though both deals with the same result. In reproducibility, same result is recreated by using original data and code, and you can say mathematical computation. Whereas in replicability, same result is produced by using new data and same experiment. Replicability is a verification method. It verifies reliability of research. Using same experiment, same result would be found, that is reliability of research. If the experiment is not replicable, then it is not reliable also. Here I am trying to make it clear the concept of replicability with the help of an example. Meera plants a jasmine flower plant on a pot. She look after the plant by giving water twice in a day, by keep it in sunlight for 1 hour per day, and add some fertilizer once in a week. After 3 weeks blossoms 2 jasmine flowers. Nina plants a jasmine flower in a pot and look after the plant in an exact way like Meera. 3 weeks later, no flower blossoms. In this example, the experimental method of two experimentation are same, but the data are different. Data means researcher or the experimenter, quality of flower plant, soil, flower pot, etc. These are the different data are used in two experimentation. From the two experiments, we draw conclusion that the experiment is not replicable. Why? Now, if the result means flower blossoms after 3 weeks of take care will same, then only it could be said that the experiment is replicable. The next characteristics of scientific method is precision. The word precision means fact of being exact. In research, any measurement how much it is accurate, that is calculated through precision. Precision is similar to accuracy but not same. Accuracy. What is accuracy? How close to true value or actual value. For example, Meera measures the amount of water in a glass 3 times. She obtains following results: 160 ml, 172 ml, 175 ml. The actual amount of water in the glass is 180 ml. So, the result is that 175 ml is most accurate one because 175 ml is nearest result of actual value 180 ml, whereas 169 ml is least accurate result because it is the most far result of actual value 180 ml. So the value which is more close to the actual value, the instrument which is measuring the value, that will be the more accurate. Okay. In terms of precision, it measures the consistency of results which are regardless of proximity to actual value. For example, Mira measures the amount of water in a glass 4 times. She obtains following results: 180 ml, 182 ml, 185 ml, 186 ml. The actual amount of water in the glass is 200 ml. Accuracy of the experimentation is poor. Why? Because all the four results and the highest result also 186 ml all are far away from the actual value 200 ml. But all the four results are very close to each other. So, if anybody repeat a measurement several times and each time gets similar readings, then that particular instrument possesses a high degree of precision. Let's take a bird eye target for another example. The red circle is actual value and the remaining yellow and ash colored circles are measure value or the result. In the circle A, one arrow is near to a red circle. It means the one result is near to actual value. So the accuracy over here is good. But the other results or other arrows are scattered or they are far from each other. So the precision is poor. In the circle B, no arrow is close to red circle. So no result is close to actual value. So accuracy is poor, but the arrows or results are very close to each other. So precision is good. In the circle C, all the arrows are very far from each other and all are far from actual value. So precision and accuracy both are very poor. And when we take the circle D, you can see that all the arrows are inside the red circle. It means accuracy is good and they are very close to each other. So the precision is also good over here. Falsifiability is another characteristics of scientific method. It means to make false or incorrect. The Austrian philosopher and scientist Karl Popper introduced the concept of falsifiability. Falsifiability says that the conclusion cannot be drawn from simple observation of a particular thing. Falsifiability is another ability of research to prove wrong any proposition, statement, theory, or hypothesis. By disproving a concept or theory, it is easier to prove the theory. This is an essential component of scientific method and testing of hypothesis also. For an example, a man lives his whole life seeing only white swans and never see or even heard about any non-white swan. He assumes that all swans are white. Through falsifiability, this statement, all swans are white, would be disproven. In hypothesis testing, null hypothesis states that there is no statistical significance difference between two variables. A researcher will try to disprove it. So, the null hypothesis is the basis of falsifiability. The last one is parsimony. Scientists must always accept the simplest logical explanation of the phenomena among multiple explanations. This concept is known as parsimony or Occam's razor. Occam's razor is a problem-solving principle of philosophy. According to this concept, simplest solution is mostly the right one among various available solutions. This is known as law of parsimony. This is one of the important characteristics of scientific method, that you have to choose the simplest logical explanation among the multiple explanations. Thank you.